I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your data usage on your 3UK plan, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the 3 app. Download and install the 3 app from your device's app store if you haven't already. This app is essential for managing your account and checking your data. Step 2. Log into your account. Open the app and log in using your 3 account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly in the app. Step 3. Navigate to the usage section. Once logged in, look for the usage tab on the main dashboard. This section will provide you with a breakdown of your data usage. Step 4. Check your data allowance. In the usage section, you will see your current data allowance and how much you have used so far this month. This will help you keep track of your remaining data. Step 5. Set up alerts. To avoid exceeding your data limit, consider setting up alerts in the app. This feature will notify you when you're nearing your data cap. Remember, if you find that your data usage is higher than expected, check for apps running in the background that might be consuming data without your knowledge. Happy data tracking!